Welcome back to my channel, Math and Language, and we're going to discuss two-secant external angle theorem. Let's start with the introduction. The measure of an angle formed by two secants of a circle intersecting at a point in the exterior of the circle is one half the absolute value of the difference of the measures of the intercepted arcs. So here's the figure. So we have two secants here, and they intersect at point. They form a larger, okay, these two are the intercepted arc. So we have arc DE and arc AB and angle C. So the formula we have here is the absolute value of the two intercepted arcs, the absolute value of the difference between them, this one and this one. And the answer will be divided by 2, so you will get the exterior angle, which is angle C. Or in other words, if you just want to remove the absolute value, just remember, larger arc minus smaller arc. Again, this is for the intercepted arc. And the answer will be divided by 2, and you will get this angle. Let's have the first example. Given arc, measure of DE is 65 degrees, and the measure of arc BA is 38 degrees. Now, we are asked to find angle C. So let's place the formula. We have this one, the measure of DE minus the measure of arc BA, and divided by 2, you will get this answer. Let's substitute the values. So again, we have 65 here and 38 here, and now we're going to divide it by 2. So the final answer will be 13.5. So this is 13.5 degrees. Next example, we have the measure of arc XY, the larger intercepted arc is 105 degrees, and the measure of arc AB, the smaller intercepted arc, is 60 degrees. We are asked to find angle Z. So let's place the formula and we substitute the values. So we have 105 here and the 60 here. And the answer to that one, so 105 minus 60, that will be 45. Divided by 2, that will be 22.5 degrees. So the measure of angle C is 22.5 degrees. Next example. What if we have the larger arc, intercepted arc, and we have the angle, the exterior angle, which is 34 degrees. We are asked to find the smaller intercepted arc. So how can we find the measure of that one? So simply just place the formula again and substitute the values. So for this one, we have 34 here because that is the exterior angle. The larger arc will go here, and the smaller arc is still don't know, so that will be measure of AB. And the answer will be divided by 2. We will use algebra to solve for this one. So multiply both sides by 2. We will get 68 degrees. And the 2 in the denominator will be gone. 68 degrees is equal to 200 degrees minus the measure of arc AB. Now, we subtract 200 degrees to both sides, so that will be 68 minus 200, and the 200 in the right side will be gone, and the remaining part here is the negative measure of AB, arc AB. Now simplified, that will be negative 132 degrees is equal to negative the measure of AB, arc MAB. So divide both sides by negative 1, and the measure of arc AB is 132 degrees. So this is 132 degrees. Next example given is we have the exterior angle and we have the smaller intercepted arc. We are asked to find the larger intercepted arc. So same method, just place the formula and substitute the values. So we have 25 here and 60 degrees will go here because it should be larger minus smaller. Larger minus smaller. So let's do some algebra. Multiply both sides by 2. And you will get 50 here. And this one will be the measure of arc xy minus 60 degrees. Now, next one, simplify it further. 50 plus 60. And you will get an answer of 110 degrees. So that is the measure of arc xy. Next one. What if we have this kind of problem? A little bit complicated. So we have given this one AC. The larger intercepted arc at the right side of the circle is 160. And we have an exterior angle here which is 40 degrees. And EC, the smaller intercepted arc here, is 20 degrees. We are asked to find X and Y. So the smaller intercepted arc of the left side of the circle and Y, which is the exterior angle at the right side. Now, we have the given here, 160, so I'll just put it here. Place the formula. So here's the formula. We are going to start with this part first. We're going to solve for x first. So let's substitute the values. So we have 40, that is the exterior angle, just this one. 160 for the larger arc, and we have x, the smaller intercepted arc will be here. So let's solve for the value of x. You have multiply both sides by 2, you get 80 is equal to 160 degrees minus x. Now, so x is 80 degrees, so we can change this one to 80 degrees. Now, because you may see in the figure that there's a line here, like this one. It means that they are congruent. So if this is 80, then that means this is also 80 degrees. Now, we can solve for the value of y because we have the larger intercepted arc and the smaller intercepted arc. So let's find it. So we have 80 minus 20, and the answer to that one will be divided by 2, and you will get an answer of 30 degrees. So this one is 30 degrees. Okay, and that's the end of the lesson on how to solve two secant external angle theorem. And if you would like to comment or suggest it, or if you need some help with your assignment, please comment down below. Again, this is James, your math and language instructor. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and also click the bell notification so you will be updated for my future videos. I also have a Filipino version of this video, so you may just check the link. And for the other videos concerning about the two tangent, just check the description box. Thank you very much, and goodbye.